LLMs have a very significant impact. In fact, just before the session, we were talking about how, starting from a third class student, people do homeworks now. And the first thing they ask the ChatGPT, what is my homework? The questions in the homework. How many of you have used this for your homeworks or assignments? Everybody, right? So, what is the impact if, those diverse views are not taken into account? Let me start by sharing a story that happened very recently. In one of the community meetings just like this, it was a much smaller group and we said we will, introduce ourselves. We are supposed to have an icebreaker. Since this was a very, different group, we are meeting for the first time, all from different companies, different people. We said we'll prompt an LLM and say that, generate a picture of me using whatever information you have. So I put in my LinkedIn profile, asked me to generate a picture. Guess what I got? A very nice South Indian man with a long this and a red mustache. It gets more interesting. We also had somebody, a woman of color in the group. And she put in her profile and said, generate, So she learned from me and she said, I am a woman. I am doing this. I eat these things. Generate a picture of me. So she had a white woman with a coffee mug sitting at a desk like this. Then to make it more interesting and more refined, she prompted saying, I am a woman of a color. Now generate the picture from me. It generated a Chinese woman with a cup in the same position. Then she got very frustrated and said, okay, now I put in my LinkedIn profile. So she put in her LinkedIn profile because that had a picture on it and said, now generate an image. It says, again a white woman, the first one it generated. So what I'm trying to say is this is a very, very light scenario. We are just, doing our introduction, but imagine the impact it has on a child who's trying to generate a picture. The fact that you're not seen or not heard, the voice is not heard, or the, what they call the unequal gaze, you're not seen because of different things. The models don't recognize you. We are talking primarily about the text models. Think about the impact it has. One of the things that always keeps coming up is, why is it that all the voice assistants have women voices? What are the biases? What is it we are teaching our children to do? Then are these the roles? So that is, a very significant impact on how an entire generation thinks, acts, and behaves. So I think it is very, very important for us to get this right, just so that we put in the right set of values in the generation